I have a question. Coffee. Coffee. So did you have coffee and honey? Alcoholic coffee. You want alcoholic coffee?
It sounds good.
Martini. Yeah. Do you like Starbucks?
Yeah, I had Starbucks yesterday. I had Starbucks all the time. I heard there's one that had like...
Intrusion alert, level 2. Intrusion.
Oh, that is an alcoholic one.
Disarmed. Sensor offline.
Do you have a picture of the picture?
Nothing to see here.
There is. It's not
Move along.
Yeah, cappuccino part. That one also has coffee and alcohol.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You don't look like recruits. I've got this. Intrusion alarm, level 2. All units alerted. My turn.
Come on forward. Come on, make sure it's out of that wall.
Let's try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing. Taskmaster. What do you want? Headquarters back online. Ms. Romanoff, the arc reactor has been secured safely inside the Quinjet. It's in the jet. Let's go. Mr. Stark. Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help. I could do this all day.
Hey, that's my line.
Steve, good to see you. Oh, behind you.
Okay. Friday, please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster, origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills. It's annoying.
You sure you want to start this?
Steve, the arc reactor.
On it.
We got it. Let's go. Friday, seal off Bay 94. Yes, Miss Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
You know how to use that thing? down. I said I could do this all day.
Looking for this?
Try it.
You know how this ends.